Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip, and I just brought back such a pretty little truck all the way from Phoenix, Arizona, just so that you could come here and pick this thing up. Wow, what a great little thing. This thing is a 2016 Isuzu Npr HD. And I know some of you are not too excited about the Isuzu diesel motor. Those of you that like them a lot, but those of you that don't, there you go. That's got the GM 6-liter V8 gas motor in it. Personally, I kind of like that motor. Quiet, got a lot of power. I just drove this from Phoenix to Henderson, which is about 1,900 miles, something like that, and it run down the road like a little watch. Now look at that. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this thing in just a little bit. That's going to blow your mind. It's got a little thing there that says gas only on it. There's your fuel tank right there. It's about a 30-gallon. That's got an all steel deck in it, and these racks, I got this truck from the original owner. The original owner bought this 2018, and they manufacture office cubicles, and so they don't need racks. So they took the racks off and they stored them in their warehouse, and we put them back on just about 3 days ago when we left with them. So those racks are like brand new, guys. There's hardly a scratch on them. This is nice. Aluminum. That's a nice aluminum liftgate right there. That's a 2,000 pound capacity. And it's a nice, quiet, fast. Everything about this truck is pretty much like new. And I'll show you why in just a little bit. You just got a one button assembly right there. Very simple. Boy, look how fast that operates, huh? There you go. And then you know how it goes. You just flip that over and then it'll tuck underneath. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those straps right there for tying down cargo, because as I say, they didn't use the sidewalls, they just used those straps. And look at the interior. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's got this little side marker lights right there when you turn on your turn signal, so at night, well, the radio works. Look how clean this is. Holy mackerel. This is like brand new. And I'm going to show you why in just a nice second. It's got the nice big mirrors on it right there. Pretty front end. That's really a good looking truck. I like that a lot. So, it's a 2016. One owner. I'm going to just turn that radio off. Air conditioning blows ice cold. I know because I use it on the way here. You've got your cruise control button right there to turn the cruise on. And then you got the on and off, or the set and resume right there. Look at there. Power door locks. Power windows. Both sides, of course. And nice little sound system. You heard it running. That's also got a little CD player built into it. And looks like it's got the USB port and the little plug-in for MP3 or something or other. That is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Gotta love that horn, huh? Here's the really good part. What does that say? Let me see if I can get my camera out of the way for you. Look at there. Yes, you are reading that properly. That is 13,104 miles. It had 11,507 when I first got in it. So I drove that all the way here. Thing runs like a watch. And it's got the little fold down. It's got a 6-passenger seating, or you can fold that down. You got your flares, you got your extinguisher, you got owner's manuals, you got more owner's manuals up here. And it is like new. This thing runs down the road so nice. I ran this, right at 70 pretty much all the way. That little tachometer was only running about 2,900 RPM. Thing just did a spectacular job. For those of you keeping score at home, hopefully you'll be able to see that right there. That's a 14.5 GVW. non-CDL obviously, and just a straight truck. I told you about the tires. It's a 2016 with 13,000 miles on it right now. The original tires were on it, all except for the 2 inside duals. They had just replaced the 2 inside duals about 6 months ago, so I put the rest of the 4 tires on it. So this has got either all new or like new tires. And I tell you, you just take it home and drive it, use it, make some money. Such a beautiful truck. So that's a 2016, virtually like new, 13,000 actual, original, 1 owner miles. Such a pretty truck. If you can use that, you give me a call. We're right here in Henderson, Tennessee, and my personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.